It's time. Derange time. Let's get to it.
Welcome to this week's episode of Derange, where today, let me show you what we're going to be doing. So today, we have made some homemade slap it, slap it, slap it. This feels good, it's pretty cool. Ballistic gel. Now, I don't know how this is going to work, it's a little thick. But I was trying it out so we can see what's going to happen with it, so we can do some testing with it. If this works out, then we'll do more videos with it. So what we're going to try today, we're going to try to shoot a 22, a 9mm, and a 40 in this ballistic gel, see if we can see it. It's a little thick, so it needs to be probably half this size so we can kind of see what it's doing. But either way. So we're going to start today with a Taurus TX22, and we're going to be shooting arm score, looks like 36 grain high velocity bullets. That's what we're going to be shooting at it. So let's see what this 22 will do to this. All right. Back up a little bit and try that one again. Supposed to be about 10 feet from it when we shoot it. I'm probably about 10 feet now. Looks like that's going all the way through. Well, I don't know. We're going to keep trying. So this is a Savage Stance 9mm. Shot an earlier video. Max Tech 115 grain full metal jacket. And let's see what this one does to it. We're going to do 2 rounds. Alright, now we're going to shoot a 40 Glock 23 and some center fire 125 grain 40 caliber bullets. All right, one more round. All right. So what I'm gonna try to do now is cut the side of this block off so you can see I shot everything on the left hand side. See if we can get in here and see a little better. Alright, so we've doubled it up. I think our mixture's off just a little bit. If you look at that thing, it looks darker and clearer or whatever. I think our mixture's off just a little bit, but we're going to keep working on it. But I doubled it up in lengthwise, so let's see if it slows it down, stops it now. Back to the 22. Alright, so it did stop it this time. There it is right there. There's that 22 bullet. So when they tell you length is everything, it is, because I doubled it up and we caught that 22 bullet. So now we're going to try it with the 9mm again. It went high, but the channel on that one. Pretty doggone good. It came out. Alright, we're going to try this 42. They follow the same path out, just in case y'all can't see what I'm seeing. See this channel right here? You can see where all that velocity is, and that's pushed up. Went in there, you can see it. Also, in case you didn't know, it is windy as crap today. We did catch a 22. The rest of them were going through, but they were hitting them same channels going through there. But we need to tweak our mixture just a little bit. Well, guess that wraps us up for another day. Got some cool things planned for y'all. This didn't work out that great, but I get my mixture right. And once I get my mixture right, if y'all are interested in how to make ballistic gel and make it work and make it right, and the wind stops blowing, then I'll make you a video on that. In the meantime, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Love all y'all. Want to thank all of y'all for all your support. I'm going to have another giveaway coming up soon, and it's only going to be for my subscribers. I'm just going to give stuff away. Until the next time, peace. Yeah. Drop the whole gun inside of it. Need a gun inside. Matter of fact, you still don't believe me? Look. One of the things. All right, here we go. You can see that? Yeah, I guess you could. Let's go see. Let's take you with us. Well, I ain't gonna tell y'all. Not a whole lot of difference. Field here. Ooh. She is hot. The slide still slides. So here we go. Still fires after being shot with a 22. Come on, Big D. Gotta go back. Good gracious, you gotta lose some weight.